So, guys, have you thought about what you want to do after high school? I'm telling you, engineering is where it's at. The possibilities are endless, and the technology we'll get to work with.
Oh, 100%. I've been researching programs. You guys seen the aerospace studies at U of T? We could literally be designing aircraft.
Yeah, that's cool and all, but I think I'm leaning more towards carpentry or woodworking.
You would want to do engineering with us? Would make a good trio. And think about the job prospects.
Yeah, dude. I mean, designing new tech. Like, check out computer engineering. Those guys are shaping the future.
Yeah, I know, I get it, but I just don't think it's the right fit. And everybody's talking about flashy careers. I just feel like I have to follow what everyone's doing.
It's not just about being flashy, it's also about income and stability. Do you think woodworking could actually be a career?
I don't know, but I do enjoy it, and I don't want to make the wrong decision, you know? There's a lot of pressure of, like, picking now and, getting my life on order, and it's just a big choice.
Well, think about the life you want. Engineering might get you a good pay and a stable job, but it is more demanding and can have long hours. On the other hand, woodworking might be less financially secure, but it is more hands-on. So it would allow you to have more flexibility in your day-to-day schedule, work-life balance.
Yeah, and location matters too. I mean, some jobs might be in specific places that might force you to move.
Yeah, and then there's the whole student debt thing, right? Like, engineering programs are super expensive. I don't want to be drowning in student loans.
Yeah, that's true. But there are scholarships and financial aid that can help, or an apprenticeship.
Are there any trade schools nearby that offer the programs you're interested in?
Well, Algonquin has this technical program that I'm really interested in, but there's also this heritage cabinet making program they offer at Perth campus as well. So, I don't know. And moving just adds on more expenses.
But just think, if you did engineering too, imagine we'd all be together. That's what we've been talking about since the beginning of high school.
Yeah, it does sound pretty fun, but I don't have all the answers. This has gotten me thinking.
That's what I'm talking about. We're here for you, man. Whatever you choose.